What is up, my people? What is up? Trade Safe Nation in the building. What is going on, Trade Safe fam? We are here to show you the beautiful, beautiful trade that we took today with the strategy that I taught you in the previous videos. So please go check it out. Also, of course, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. You already know what to do. But look at this beautiful sell that we caught today, okay? A couple of things. I showed you the engulfing candle strategy. It is basically the simplest, and I'm telling you, the simplest strategy that I've learned. And this is a strategy that was taught by, first, let's just look at this, right? I record all of my trades, bang. Trade Safe Lock doing its thing, right? Anyways, we're gonna get back to that. But let me just pause this real quick and tell you the following, that Lance Bretstein is literally one of the greatest scalpers to bless the trading community, okay? And this strategy was taught by him. He is a trader at a hedge fund called SMB Capital. They are in New York. They are truly some of the best traders, guys, okay? And this is a strategy that they taught. Now, I want to show you this, right? Let's see if we can get to it. Okay, so here. Essentially, here we have this is on the 4-hour time frame, okay? We had an uptrend. Yes, we were on an uptrend, but what is going on? What's going on is that we have a complete bearish engulfing candle, correct? Correct. What do we have next that has been painted, guys? Simple. This is the easiest strategy in the world. Easy. We have let me go back to it. We have another bearish candle that painted below it. And this strategy is basically this. If we're going up, we need to see basically bullish engulfing. We need to see another green candle above it. And then boom, we can go ahead, take our entry, and look, it would have resulted in a great gain. Same thing for the bearish. We have a bearish engulfing. We have a other candle that painted bearish. And so simple, what did we do? We went ahead and said, okay, we are going to look for a short entry, time to sell, especially considering that this is on the 4-hour time frame, okay? Now, what did we do here? Simple. All that we did was we went into the 5-minute time frame. We saw another example of the following, which was a clean, simple, bearish engulfing candle. Wow, look at that. Next, we have another candle that's painted bearish, right? Easy, we took the entry. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. And what do I mean by tricky? This is when sticking to the plan means sticking to the plan no matter what. And why do I say that, right? Why do I say that? I say that because of this. Because it went beautifully in our direction almost automatically, okay? But then what happened? It started to go against us. And look, what am I doing here? I'm including the Trade Safe tool that is on TradingView. It's free, absolutely free. Just join the WAP. Remember that, join the WAP. Everything is free, the community, the live trading every single day, the book, the one-on-one calls, everything, okay? We made sure to put our stop loss trigger and our take profit trigger. So just in case we're stopped out, boom, the screen is popped up, we're good to go. We don't need to trade anymore. And if take profit is hit, the same thing. We won. Hey, we won, great. We're done for the day, right? So here I am putting the triggers, right? I go ahead and I mark up the triggers. So now Trade Safe is locked in. We are safe. Completely safe. And as you can see, we have 1 and 2, right? We have our stop loss trigger and our take profit trigger. Now, here's what happens. check this out, right? Price decides to go back against us, okay? And it really pushes our buttons here, right? We were like, okay, well, if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But this is why sticking to your original plan, not moving to break even just yet, is part of it, okay? So again, we said, hey, let's roll with it. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But here's what happens. We let it ride. Price starts to go back in our direction. Now, what do? The moment that I see this, I say, okay, this should be going in our direction. Our conviction is right. So what do? I minimize my risk. So now my risk is almost cut down in half. Okay, as you can see, boom. We, instead of here, of let's say losing 1,000, we would have lost about 600. Okay, so cool. Now, this is what we do. When I see that this candle starts to break under here, we are in the clear, guys. We are in the clear, right? The moment that we get that, we know that we can officially make this a 100% risk-free trade. That is it. We are 100% risk-free. What do? I go ahead and I move my triggers. That's it. We completely move this to a safe and risk-free trade, okay? So what do? I go ahead and I place my new triggers, which was right above this point, which if we would have gotten stopped out, we would have had maybe $100 and it would have been risk-free, okay? But what happened? Of course, A, we stuck to the plan. B, this is the epitome of what trading safe is. The goal is preserve and grow capital, guys. So this right here, again, is the epitome. First, we stuck to the plan. The next thing was we minimized risk. The third thing was we eliminated risk completely, okay? Writing this down to our take profit, in which you will see our take profit gets hit, okay? And not only that, our trigger gets set, right? Which that is it, we won. We're done for the day. Look at this, it's a beautiful thing, right? So, again, what is the point? Easy. The easiest strategy in my back pocket is my engulfing candle strategy. It's based on what are we doing? What is price action telling us? And you see it, you saw it here live. This was this morning. It was a beautiful 2-to-1 trade. Yes, it's not a 5, it's not a 6, it's not a 10-to-1 trade, but guess what? Our goal is a 2-to-1 to a 3-to-1, guys. If you can do that every single day, I promise you by the end of the month, you will have profits, okay? So, beautiful, just a beautiful trade. And why did we do it? We saw the bearish engulfing on the 4-hour candle, which is an extremely powerful time frame, the 4-hour. 2 confirmations giving us the signal. We went down into the 5-minute. We saw that clear a signal with the bearish engulfing. We went in. That's it. Left it to probabilities, and we stuck to the plan. And as you can see, we closed out a beautiful 2-to-1 clean trade, guys. With keeping in mind the epitome of what trading safely in the markets is every single day. So if you like the video, comment, let me know what you think about the strategy. Share this, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Keep it coming. And remember, guys, trade safe, the community, the live trading, it is free every single day now. It is free. Do you know what the word free is? Link in this is in the description, okay? wap.com/tradesafe. Free 99. So, hope you guys have an amazing trading week. Tomorrow we will be on there. We might be just talking trading, talk trading, because I don't know if I'm going to be trading tomorrow. We had such a good trade today. We'll see what it gives. But see you guys in the next one. Peace.